Yeah, I've been playing more and more with these fiber optics. I actually added it to my let me go over here, my V913. I think it came out pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a test flight right now. So I got an LED set up in the front, and then I got all the fiber optic green in the back all the way around so I can see the tail. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up right here. I'll go ahead and pop in the little detector since I got the extended battery. Oh, that's loud. Let me squeeze that in there. There we go. Alright, it's gonna get a little dark, but ooh, a little breezy. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take my dog inside before this helicopter makes him cry. Come on, Joe. Come on, get inside. Go. Alright, I have this same setup on my my Wakara V450 D01 collective pitch, and I flew the fixed pitch yesterday, and that thing, it flew so beautiful. It's been so long since I've flown it, so decided to do a fiber optic setup so I can do some night flights and stuff and have some fun with it. Alright, look at that. That is cool. So we have our little LED in the front, and we got our tail all set up. Let's go ahead and have some fun with them. You gotta tighten his wings. I keep saying that, and I never do it. There we go. Sweet. That was cool. Ooh, that breeze. Oh man, it's so easy to see now. Look at that. Woo! Oh man, that breeze is no joke. Oh, at least I can easily tell what's front and back at night now. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is nice and bright. Look at that. That's definitely a beautiful sight. Relax. Oh, that thing is glowing so beautiful. Too bad I can't do like the night blades on these things. Ooh, that breeze takes it. No joke. Oh, it makes it so much easier to see at night. Look at that. Oh shit, it is a trip. I want to have some fun at night now. Look at that thing. Looks like a real helicopter coming down, except for the neon lights. There's a bad breeze up there. He's behaving pretty good with that breeze. The LED in the front's pretty powerful. It lights up the ground. Look at that. As soon as I turn around, the breeze catches it. It just dips. You gotta bank it just to. Woohoo! Touch the ground there. It's funny, the blades got shit glowing a little bit. What if I should put a glow blade on it? That'd be cool. Yeah, the bottom gear is glowing. Oh, I gotta put a second LED on this thing. It should be fun. Yeah, I'll just do the whole canopy. That'll be fun. Maybe I'll put a red or something. That LED don't choke. Look at that. Oh, mini light bulb there. I hope you guys can see it. This is beautiful. Uh-oh. Woohoo. Strong breeze. Come on, bring it back. Come back. There you go. Hovering pretty good in that breeze. This would be awesome if it was a calm day. I don't want to overheat the motor. If you idle it too soft for too long. Uh-oh. Sometimes with this control I notice that the it either stops pulling left or stops pulling right. You can only do one kind of control at a time. Either can bank or you can hit the rudder. Sometimes you can't do both at once with this control. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. She's doing good. Let me see the temperature of this motor. Woo! Yeah, that thing is hot as hell. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day on this flight. Let me go over here in the light. It looks good. Let me turn off this control over here so I don't hit something by mistake. Let's see if we can see this. Hold it up right here. So it's pretty nice. I got the LED starting here, going all the way down the tail around the back. Let me turn it. Then back up again, all through the front, and then down the middle, so you can kind of see the motor glowing, you know. And of course, then I got that front LED, which is pretty powerful. I think if I do I go for the canopy, maybe do some nice round connectors here, you know. I will have to get rid of the LED from the front if I'm going to use the canopy, because it'll be too much. Well, maybe not. So, I mean, I kind of like that LED in the front. You see the lights up the ground, pretty cool. Gives it a nice effect. I don't know. Maybe I'll go with the red. Maybe I'll go with some more green. But it's cool. But I gotta definitely fly her in a big area where the motor can run cooler. Up here is too hover for too long with this really heavy battery. The motor tends to overheat a lot. So you gotta take her up in the sky so she can have more fun. Alright, let me kill the power switch. So night flying with the WL Toys V913. Alright, just turn off the power.